Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will be showing you how to use my daily diary version 2. Please subscribe on my channel for videos like this and more. You can download this daily diary in my shop, which I will link in the description below. When you download the file, you'll get both the PDF and GoodNotes file for the diary, and keynotes, GoodNotes, and Precure PNGs for the stickers. Let's start. I have made two personalized cover you can use, one with an image and one plain. The plain one has hyperlinks on it. I'll show you how it works in a bit. It is important that when using hyperlinks, you are in read mode. The next page is an index page. This houses all or almost all the hyperlinks in this diary. I have included the index page map card in the download for easy identification. This part here is the monthly links. They're also available on the navigation on top. Next is the checklist links. I have some labeled ones, and with menus you can customize. This diary is pretty expandable. I also have here a movie and drama list that can serve as an overall watch list. We also have 30 notes sections here. I doubt anyone would use it all, but just in case it's not enough. I also have the notes template available here. And of course, the stickers. Now, let's discuss how this works. Here's the monthly page. This is undated, so the dates are blank. In order for the hyperlinks to work, I place them on the site navigation. Each month have their own sets of hyperlinked dates. The top navigation will bring you to your desired pages. It is the main navigation that's present in all pages. You can write the dates or use stickers I have provided with this planner. Let's go to the daily pages. If you watched my previous video, I showed you how to use my daily diary version 1. This is similar to that. I still get an overview of the week or the date in the month and made it like this. There's also an hourly timetable, a weather tracker, daily goals, daily to-do list, or you can make it as what you did during your day. Highlight the photo of the day, meals of the day, water tracker, workout tracker, and a memo. This is your checklist index. You can add an image or a drawing or doodles here as a page cover or a section cover. If you want to replace the labels, you can copy and paste a section with the same color. But it can get tedious since on the side navigation I have already written it in words, or I have already included labels. What's great about this checklist is that you have a free space on the other side of the notes or for the notes regarding your list. Here's the movie drama list. I have also made this into sections so you can add more pages after each sections. You can make them into groups like Korean dramas, English dramas, Marvel collections, etc. Quite extensive and really made for those who love to watch and to keep track of what they are watching. You can also make this as a manga or a novel review list, or like an episode or a scene of the series. It's really up to you. I've added the star stickers inside for easy ratings. A quick tour on the stickers if you open the Good Notes file. There are some that I have not pre-cropped, like the dates. It's to not make the file heavy, but I do have a pre-cropped stickers in PNG anyway within the downloaded file, so you have options. Let's jump to the shopping list. So the shopping list have the same section pages as the drama list, so I won't go deep into that. This list is meant for your wish list shopping for items that are you wanted to buy, or simply the things that you bought to record the price. You can also use this as price monitoring pages, like I said. Let me know if you want to discuss more on how you can utilize these pages. I'll make a separate video for that. Next section, which is the notes section. The notes have 30 sections and we have 11 templates to choose from. Simply copy the template and paste it after each sections. This is quite useful since all templates have links to each sections. I even have a storyboard templates for you YouTubers out there. Get to the fun part, the sticker. So you've seen this already in the first place, and then we also have shapes here that you can use as markers or post-its, and of course we have the widgets. We have widgets for bills, appointments, goals, priorities. We also have photo frames here and music players that you can use for the day or for the month. Here is the running to-do list that you can use to note the tasks that are repeating during the week. You can write here and then check the dates that you were able to accomplish such task. We also have here a mini calendar that is dated for 2022 since I made this year.